I want to provide you guys some insight as to when is the time that you're supposed to pull the trigger on investments, all right? So as you guys can see here, the market is absolutely dying today, guys. It's a dreadful day here. Inflation numbers came in higher than expected. Just like I've been mentioning in my previous videos, guys, inflation isn't going anywhere, all right? So prepare yourselves, prepare your money, keep on putting, like I said, extra hours of work in so you could have enough money to invest and actually make a difference in your financial situation, all right? Let's go ahead and get into the SPY right here. So the S&P 500, well, the proxy for the S&P 500, as you can see here, guys, there's a lot of important numbers that are coming up pretty soon. You can see here my white line, that's a very important support level. If the SPY breaks through that, it's going to go to the lows here, set in at 362.17 level, but that's not important right now. We're technically in a recession right now. They haven't labeled it as so, but during a recession, guys, is the best time to invest your money, all right? While everyone is fearful and everything like that, guys, you should actually be putting your money to work. How safe is the stock market right now, guys? So a lot of people, conventional wisdom says it's unsafe to invest in the stock market right now. However, this is actually the best time to buy because you're going to be getting the best assets out there at a very discounted price of 30, 40, 50, even 70%. So these are the main points that Warren Buffett points out of investing during a recession, all right? So keep a long-term outlook, all right? So that's absolutely right because there's going to be a lot of implied volatility coming into the market. So stocks are going to be swinging up and down, left and right. They're going to be going wild, guys. So there's going to be a lot of short-term volatility, which is normal as price action tends to settle down. As you can see here, back in 2008, the height of the Great Recession, Warren Buffett wrote an opinion piece for the New York Times. He explained amid the recession, businesses will indeed suffer earnings hiccups as they always have, but major companies will be setting new profit records in 5 to 10, 15 years from now. As you guys remember, when COVID started, guys, it only took a year for stocks to rebound after falling more than 30%. So you need to invest more, all right? Because buying stocks at discounted prices gives you the best opportunity to get maximum gains when they rebound to pre-recession levels, all right? So we keep on going here. According to Buffett, an important rule to remember, and like I've always been mentioning in all my videos. All right, so here it is, guys, from the GOAT of investing. Be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful, all right? So now's the time to be greedy while others are fearful because everyone's out there selling off their stocks. So you should be picking them up at discounted levels, all right? And focus on quality investments, all right? Don't focus on any companies that are SPACs, all right? So you have to focus on quality investments. So companies that have proven the test of time, have been through recessions, provide cash flow, have sustainable business activities, all right? So those are the ones you should be focusing on. And let's go ahead and hear from the GOAT himself, all right? What should happen during a recession?
We're a net buyer of stocks over time. So when stocks are down, we're going to be buying on balance, and who wouldn't rather buy it, at a lower price than a higher price? People are really strange on that. I mean, because most of your listeners are savers, and that means they'll be net buyers, and they should want the stock market to go down. They should want to buy at a lower price.
All right, guys, so back to the stock market here. As you guys heard from the GOAT himself, guys, this is the absolute best time to buy because you'll be buying great companies, like I said, at discounted prices. Instead of chasing after prices, guys, as stock prices go up, that's when people tend to buy because they say, oh, company is only going to keep on going higher and higher, guys. What happens when you get in at the highs and then the market starts crashing, guys? You tend to panic and sell off your stocks, all right? So you should be buying them right now as they go lower and lower, guys, so that when the rebound happens, you'll be in a great position to start bringing in some profits, all right? And as in my portfolio here, I tend to stick to dividend paying stocks so that it provides me some cash flow so that I could reinvest that and create the compound effect, all right? Which will ultimately lead me to financial freedom so that I can start collecting dividends over time and only use the dividends, never mess with my original capital so that my money never runs out and I can provide my family with financial freedom. Hopefully you guys come across this video, and if you don't, I'm gonna do all my efforts so that you can come across this video and hopefully get your family in a great financial position as well. I'll catch you on the next video, guys.